Mina ngibona la mehlo wakhe akhathele ngathi 8 ka babakho.
Ngabamba imbeja.
Yo.
Ngiyakuzwa ngimubi ne. Ububi ngiyageza. Phathwe nezinqemanzi.
Zimanzi uzizwe.
Namabele ngathi nje ngincelisayo. Lo akainstallanga udownloadile.
Yeah. Bing, bing, bing.
I want to see something. Hey, after. Ngikise naye.
Ay, shagege. Malona guys ne. Uyiteksela ikazi wonke umfana uyamgibela.
Wabafana man. Awwa.
What she saying? My phone on D&D. I got too many hoes. She go pull up on me. She go pull up on T. What? Nigga, I don't know what you say about me. Nigga be talking about me. He got that sweat for me. We be like laughing at a joke. My nigga here pull up with a ghost. My bitch, she can't stay sober. Thumbs up.
Hey yo, what's going on about it? This is our boy Lil Kenji, aka Mr. Go Getter himself, you feel me? I'm tired as shit, but we cool Kings to say Kingsway. It's Kingsway versus Daviton. I'm not alone. Who am I here with?
What's good YouTube? It's a kelma gang nang na donun by name Natasha Villa Basheva Shewe Kagans as Palawa Shine Koni Kings and Shine. Maybe I'm the most wanted person. The girl who inspired by no see.
Okay, channel.
Exclusive members. What's good YouTube? It's a girl with Shemaka. I go by the name of Short Bears, but say master pet. I like it. If you go back and if I go back, I'm here. Let's get ready. Big and Peteban. Pasha.
Yeah, what's good YouTube? It's Opoy Pasangas Katsuvia Slum Fan Bangas Bangas.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know. Stalanga, Panama Stalanga. What is that? Outside. One, we am phone. We am phone. What's that? Rock, paper, scissors. Kind of fun.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
How many times?
One. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's not my fault. Okay, so I'm a host since it's banning. What we want to do is kappa one. Hi guys, hope you're doing great. Today I want to show you a platform I've been testing recently, Pocket Broker. If you've ever been curious about trading but thought it looked too complicated, this video is for you because honestly, it's much easier than you expected. The registration process literally takes a couple of minutes. You just create your account, and here's the most important part. Enter my promo code during registration to get a bonus on your first deposit. One feature I actually like is social trading. You can follow experienced traders and copy their trades automatically. So even if you're still learning, you don't feel completely lost. Bro, they also have trading signals that help analyze possible market entries. It's useful because the app gives you extra guidance before making decisions. And if you like analyzing charts yourself, there are plenty of indicators available directly in the app. You can customize everything depending on your strategy. There are different trading modes too, which makes the platform feel beginner friendly, but also suitable for more experienced users. What surprised me the most is that there is a whole trading community inside the platform. People share strategies, discuss trades, and help each other. And support works 24/7, which is reassuring honestly. Plus there's a daily bonus system. After opening 2 trades, you activate the reward calendar and can receive bonuses for active days. Let me show you one of my trades. I analyzed the chart, entered the trade directly in the app, and it actually closed successfully. If you want to try trading in a simple and modern way, Pocket Broker is definitely interesting to check out. Use my promo code for your bonus on your first deposit, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section. Love y'all.
Bari kibafana bari iPhone user. Bari I'm slightly allergic to maybe cell. Morning King Zong Phone. Thank you. Bye. It's your boy Khudi Boy KG. You know what it do? Balan.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Hello. Right. Ekundi. Uzela kancane. Ibafethu. Leskipa sibhala ukuthi hayibo ububo omngaka.
Yo.
Ha, uthi tekele Bhumika. Lapho unaka. Bantwana be creative arts yababona.
Yo. Aperibona lilo.
Uhlangana. Bolungisa lento la. Angazi ngathi ihlathi noma yini. Wena udinga ithuna.
Yo.
Akasakhulumi. Ne-body count egcina 100.
Hey bana.
Khamba la.
Hey bana.
Hello.
Right.
Shabana.
Ngishaka. Ngicema.
Ceme bani.
We.
Ungeza mawuzema.
Thini miya. Hello.
Hello.
Uyofaka i-spotlight la ebantwini engisababonile. Bheka nje.
Jo.
Mina ngibona la mehlo wakhe akhathele ngathi 8 ka babakho.
Ukho baba. Ungitshela nge-8. Wena kube siyakunika i-condom ngoba abazali bakho bayenza i-mistake.
Ngiyayibona sizwile lelo kuya nelinye boy. Uphinde uthi ngeke litatazele ne. Ungatatazeli ngoba vele uzalo utatazele uyashaya.
Cela nimnike namanzi, cela umnike amanzi wakho ogeza ne.
Bese wakhathatha ubani angisho ngigeza ngembiza. Ngigeza ngembiza umntana.
Uyaphapha lo, i-adoption imzuzu.
Ungakhipha ama secrets asekini. Mangabe umntana we-adoption, mangabe wena umntana we-adoption ungacabanga ukuthi sonke si-adopted.
Bethe nento 15 rand.
Ngiyakuzwa 15 rand iphe yakho. Le 15 rand engathenga lesigqoko sakho se10 rand. Sineyingubo futhi.
Ngicela sifoneleni abantu basezubheka ngibona iKing Kong la. Smash. Down. Come back, Natal.
Next time.
How much?
Anipumi phela niyahlala esekelini don't be far.
Landa wakho.
Yeah. That's like.
What up, YouTube? This is your baby Smiley RSH. Yeah, when I'm out.
Bengithini ngani?
Gcineni nokusheva intshebe.
Ukusheva intshebe. Uthini wena?
Gcineni
Uzohleka ndlula creative art.
vele phasi.
Umweka.
Jo.
Hello. Hi. Right. Wena uyisinkwa sasekazi wonke umfana uyakuhle.
What's your friend?
Right. What up, YouTube? Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.
Landa wako.
It's a poisi and abangaziyo bangazi ngusiyandoni sishu. Hello. Ban kamera.
Smile.
Pass. Exe mata. Umnandi. Angimnandi. Ukhuluma. Afid. Wena. Obvious mina ngiqhema. Ay marafida yasikhuluma okuningi. Pass. Hello. Green. Sure. Pass. Come by. No. Okay. Pass. Exi.
Mancane. Next, ready?
Yeah.
I bet, where we at?
It's enough.
You know what?
Yeah.
Intro. Check the mic. Sure. Rasenyana ke bala.
Yeah. We bafethi tsopo tseke itosporos tindo te pusi oros te enandos. Yeah. Abaye. Oui. Aish.
Sure, yasemayinasi.
Oui.
Natso front up here. We are smash.
Ah, ngeke smash ama out.
Free. Smash.
Smash. Yeah, highlights akusikrayon.
Shit sathobela. Yo. Wena sa. Oh shit. Wena sa liyona mwe.
Lana.
Yeah, smash maroza matsali faka abantu abangcolile kuphela. Marenu clean.
Wabafana man. Awwa.
Danke. Ay.
Ufung balana na nga. Oh, sorry.
Ang grand yo.
Thanks man.
Yo. Okay, ang na intro mini yakena now. Asbalande street.
Yeah. Come to boss.
Sure, grand. Pass. Sure, but.
Oui.
Grand. Aita. Oui. Ay, ang mkhem utsek. Sure. Uwe futhi. Sure. Atyang. Kambani Kotman. Hayi, ubhek camera. Hayi ngiqem liyami.
Hawu.
Angiqem sure buti. Ukren. Okay, hayi. Pasta straight. Yeah, see.
Wait, let me say something. What's going on?
Oh, like
If you don't say I figure go 7 minutes akunana my clip. What's going on?
bafuna lezo zakho futhi.
On.
Bam.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kitwe Lamine. You can search me on social media. It's Kitwe Lamine. Mara kenji ngaras. Hello. Alright. Yazi ngisabone wena la. Yini ama street lights like Kingsway.
Huko baba. Huko baba. Zikokonda akakaiza Chiefs.
Uthukiwe yambo. Lapho uqedwa yi8 bekonde kanjani?
Ngiyayibona i8 mara mina mangibona wena ngibuyelwa ithemba.
Lapho abantu balala la esifubeni sakho.
Banna.
Ubabantu phela. Cela udlule uyanganyanyisa ubuso bakho ngathi thelwe ngama drop.
Ngiyabona ama drop. Wena unobuso obukhathele ngathi under yesdav. Oh, spray yamasimbu ya blast.
Bega.
Hello. Alright. Smash. Hello. Alright. Smash. Hello. Alright. Smash. Hello. Alright. Wena umubi yiloko kuphele ngakusho ku.
Jo.
Ngiyakuzwa ngimubi ne. Ububi ngiyageza. But wena nezinqimani.
Zimanzi uzizwe. We inkinga ukuthi isithombe semfene anginaso ne. Mara wena uqualify even nokuba imfene uyazi King Kong. Kusho kufanele naye.
Babe ekutakuzala bangiqakasebela.
Ngiyakuzwa ukhuluma ngabo mdleju kezi. Umnyama or advertising seed. Umnyama or advertising.
Angikuzwa kahle.
Ngithi umnyama or advertising seed.
Namabele ngathi nje ngiqelisa.
Shit sathobela. Yo. Wena sa. Oh shit. Wena sa liyona mwe.
Yimi ilanga.
Ebafethu umpila angina intro anginakho okuningi. Hello. Ukran. Smash. smash. Fika ekugcineni ke manje. Yambolo. Buso bakhe ngathi imoto yemali.
Ngiyambona lo.
Khuluma.
Thatha ama chance ngabe wathathele eBhavini.
Oh, ima oh. Yena uJackie Chan nophela ikhala.
Hawu abafana.
Wena uShaka Zulu wa 2026.
Izwa, ngathi lama parasa eJozi.
Kanti wena liki phara lifana nawe na wayazibambela la.
Kambana uthi uqoya ngathi Michael Jackson.
Wena uqoke ngathi abazali abasebenzi.
Yo. Nikeni impando. Uqoke nesikhala sende.
Uyogeza musuka la.
Wa on. Hamba ushintsha le rabisho egcokile. Yeke luqoka amasaka.
Bye. Exactly. Nonke nesukela ndo. Laba noma ningabayeka lo nimoya inteni. Nimsukeleni. Ayibe, where we at? Ngena wena. Right.
Yeah.
Intro.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Prosper with N. Ushoti Mashodana issue.
IG, Facebook.
Oh, go IG ngunokubonga 5085 and then Facebook nokubonga Pink Kabinde. Hello.
Hello.
Alright.
Wait, go buza qala. Una indaba? Or you still searching? You are searching, ne?
Complicated. Abantwana laba bambashe nokubasha. Hello.
Hello.
Alright. Nami ngisha pass.
Why?
Yeah.
Come here.
Why? Anginali point for yena yabo. Oh, alright. Yeah, he's just norm. Naye pass.
Why?
He's not all that. He's not all that. Like isitala sakhe si grand, but ubuyena bakhe for mina no.
Hey, shesa thobela. Yo. Hey, what is that?
Pass.
Oh shit. Hey,
No,
what is
it's a pass.
that?
Pass.
Hey, how? Okay.
Pass nje. Okay.
Lo aka-installanga udownloadile.
Jo.
Bona abuti ne. Bona. Wow. Umuntu abe specific asho maseka sindwa amasenda asojwayelana lana sisabantwana.
Let's Mike. Niyambona?
Yeah. Siyambona.
Kulakhe ngathi tie kusho ngathi shirt kusho tie la. Yabo.
Vele umuntu ongazazi impahla za online unjengawe.
Awuchazi sis. Yabo nje ubumfishane kanje cindezelwa ububi. Awukho muhle.
Oh shit. Vela ngisho wonke umuntu akaboni kanjalo ubona ngendlela yakhe lobu bobona kimi lobo engibona kuwe ngidownloade ku. Sorry. Hello.
Smash.
Alright, sharp. Nami sharp smash.
Smash, okay, kiss. Now, what you? I want to see something.
Hello. Right. Lona guys, ngicela ninginikeze ni number yakhe after all this ne. Uyangichaza smash. Lona udeserve le.
No, kiss. I'm going to something. Hey, after. Ngikhize naye.
Ay, ngeke. Nalapha yabe ngisakhisile.
Tall, dark and handsome.
He's not tall, dark and handsome. Like according to my own perspective. No.
Ma. Oh, mina hang smash.
Uzothola after la.
Fish. I bet. Where we at?
Siba. Nila angibone. Wazo sisiwazo.
Hey guys, so girl Amanda ngina into mabalani.
My phone on D&D. I got too many hoes. She go pull up on me. Hot. sweat for me. Ha. We be like laughing at a drug. My nigga here pull up with a ghost. My bitch, she can't stay sober. Samsa.